Vlog, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here, thank you so much for before I get started, please like, comment, subscribe. But you don't comment, you don't like. Kanjan manje. Kanjan. Just click lapha kushap uphinde uclick lapha subscribe basuya noma ungalive heart guys, noma ungalive heart, don't, if you awuna amazwi amaningi yabo, just leave a heart just so I know ukuthi you enjoyed the vlog. But asqalen, I'm not doing anything today. I'm just gonna be cleaning the house and yeah, cleaning the house and catching up on vlogs. So yeah,
now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen. Hear your father. His lies he told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage. King will heal you before him. Adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take your wedding going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly about the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth acts up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a garden. Count to 10, lions den, speaking with the higher things. Can't be touched by fire, then forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now, forgetting on the old ways.
Have you ever wondered what would happen if you closed on all the action? With the stress and need no caption, give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause oh, I love some music.
TD, guys, I'm at work. Yeah, currently on my first break, and yeah, I'll see you guys at lunchtime.
Several days later.
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything so beautiful, the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing your praises. Amen. I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me, yeah. Listen to the water, listen how it flows. You really thought of everything. I wonder how much I'm just getting caught up in things you never meant me to. All that this world could offer will never satisfy me like just being with your father. Oh, wow. It's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me, yeah. What was it like? The moment that you spoke and everything around you changed and things came to life.
Sanibona nebabukele vlog. Welcome back to another day in this vlog. Today's a Saturday, so I think the last time you saw me in this vlog, bengiye gateway. But before ngiye gateway, I went to relax my hair. So when I won't pop natural. I went to relax my hair. Guy chop inwele ukuze kube, you know, Bobiana. And I love it for myself. But sige angikwazi ukuhlala nenwele. So yeah, kumele sihambe siyolo. Today I'm going to dinner. Tonight I'm going to dinner. I'm going to a girl dinner. So that's why I need to look like a spacha. I need to look like a spacha. Like I'll take you along to wherever I go today. Today in G vlog serious because this is the last day of this vlog. And namhlanje mhlaka 1 February. I didn't post anything at all in Jan. I didn't have energy, to be honest, but I was vlogging, like as you will see I was vlogging. But hey, guys, vlogging is so much easier, but editing, my dear, no, I dislike editing. But ke phela sizoyenza ngoba sithanda ukwenza ama vlog. So now I just need to clean my place as per usual. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you continue to support me, because how this not 30 subscribers. We have 30 subscribers, like, guys. So yeah, neqhubeke nje, look and subscribe. Ningabuki base niyashiya kanjalo. Ningayenzi leyo nto, guys. Ningayenzi. Nibuke and subscribe, ni like, base niya comment. As I said, now amazwi amaningi, she your heart. Just leave our hearts. And yeah, I'll see you when we're outside. Guys, I bought breakfast from Wimpy because and I wanted breakfast, Vale. I didn't want anything else. I just wanted something to eat for breakfast. Okay. Why such loads? Why is it loads? So yeah, this is it.
Say I'm fun, 'cause you want to.